Hi guys, it's Miss Tisdale here, and I'm back again with a new lesson. It is actually our last lesson of the year. Can't believe this is our last week of school. So today what you're going to be doing is you're going to be reading a text about ice cream in a bag. Okay, so this is actually called a technical text. All right, so what is a technical text? It is a text about how to do something or accomplish a goal. It provides instructions and or steps in order from first to last. Okay, so some examples are how to make apple pie, instructions for playing football, steps of teeth brushing, and how to drive a car. Because you need to be able to follow directions and follow instructions when you are driving a car or cooking or baking or brushing your teeth, right? So, today, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to close read the passage and identify the gist of each paragraph. Then you're going to identify two unknown words and determine the meaning of each using context clues. Then you're going to answer two questions about the passage and highlight key details that support the answer. Then put the provided information and steps in order from first to last. Right? So I'm going to read this for you, and this is actually something that you can try at home. You can make ice cream in a bag. Ice cream in a bag. Imagine that you're so hungry for some good old-fashioned ice cream, but don't have a single quart of the delicious goodness in the freezer. There's no need to run to the grocery store or the nearest ice cream shop. Instead, you can make your own ice cream at home with ingredients that you might already have in your kitchen. Here is what you will need. All right, so it provides you with the things that you need. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, about 4 cups of ice, preferably crushed, 2 cups of rock salt, 1 gallon size Ziploc bag, 1 quart size Ziploc bag. To begin, put about 2 cups of the ice and 1 cup of the rock salt into the gallon size bag. Measure out the heavy whipping cream, milk, sugar, and vanilla in the quart size Ziploc bag. Then close it tightly. Next, carefully put the closed quart size bag inside the gallon size bag. Then use the rest of the ice and rock salt to fill in the empty space in the gallon size bag. Now comes the fun part. You can use a dish towel wrapped around the bag in order to keep your fingers from becoming too cold. After about 5 minutes of shaking, your ice cream should be ready to eat. Make sure to completely remove the quart-sized bag before opening it, so that the salt and ice don't spoil your freshly made ice cream. You can eat your ice cream plain or add yummy extras like chocolate syrup, fresh fruit, or crushed Oreos. You could even try to make your ice cream using chocolate milk to put an interesting spin on the typical recipe. There's so many choices, which makes for the double fun. Okay, so your first step is this. You're going to close read and then determine the gist or main idea of each paragraph. And then find 2 words that you don't know the meaning of and use context clues to find the meaning, right? So paragraph 1, 2, and 3, you're going to write the main idea. So what were they mainly talking about in that paragraph? Then the words you don't know and the meaning, okay, using context clues. Then step 3, you're going to answer the following 2 questions and highlight or underline the key details that support your answer in the text. According to the passage, after shaking the bags, why is it important to take the quart-sized bag out of the gallon-sized bag before opening it? Okay, and then I gave you choices, A through D. You're going to choose the choice that answers the question, and you're going to find it in the text, okay? So you're going to highlight it in the text or underline. And then the second question is, according to the passage, what should you do immediately after putting the whipping cream, milk, sugar, and vanilla in the quart-sized Ziploc bag? I gave you choices, and then you go back into the passage to find the answer and highlight it. Step 4, you're going to use the passage and number the steps for making ice cream in a bag from 1 to 7. 1 is the first step, and 7 is the last, okay? So that is your last assignment for the year. Good luck. If you have any questions, please reach out. I miss you all, and Miss Tisdale is out.